Here you can clearly see the rollers of the machine, clogged and choked with polyester fibers. This buildup not only looks messy, but also reduces efficiency. Now let's activate the advanced auto-cleaning function. With just a command, the system begins cleaning the carding rollers quickly, automatically, and without manual effort. Watch closely, the auto-cleaning process is in full action. The rollers are being scrubbed thoroughly, and the best part, you don't need to lift a finger, the machine does it all for you. And here's the result. Once the process is complete, simply open the lid to reveal spotless, perfectly cleaned carding rollers, ready for peak performance.